What's up, guys? Good afternoon here. I'm gonna bring you NIO real quick. I haven't taken a trade here, but I've been sharing on stock tweets and on Twitter back when this was here. For example, if you can see this hammer back here, when this thing started just plunging, I started posting pictures. Here's a hammer. There's another hammer in the 1 minute time frame here. It pays to have a longer time frame though, and this is the reason why you see that I keep the 15-minute time frame here on the left. I pay attention to what a longer time frame is doing, because that way it gets me a little bit of a better perspective of what I can expect to see. For example, and this is, I'm just using this NIO as an example because I didn't take a trade on this one today. What I actually traded was NTRP earlier today, but I just wanted to use NIO as a example on how to trade using a longer time frame. Now, another thing that I want to tell you guys is that I'm offering with a 62% discount a course with a value over $799, over $799 just for $299 early bird price. For those of you that want to get the early bird pricing opportunity, you can let me know. Send me a DM, send me a email at contact@traderscolony.com, or send me a DM through Twitter, Stock Twist, Instagram, whatever. I'll send you a link with PayPal on, and this is fully packed of information for those of you that want to deep dive and want to cut that learning curve a lot. For the first 10 people, you guys are gonna get 1 hour one-on-one with me. Anything you guys want to talk about, anything you want me to help you with, one-on-one, 1 hour, we just got to schedule it. For the first 20 people, chance to get 2 laptops, 2 Lenovo laptops, giving away 2 Lenovo laptops. So you're gonna have a chance to pretty much don't spend any money because you're getting a laptop for free. Now, that's for the people that really want to deep dive into this thing and know exactly what I have learned since I started in 2012 to today. I'm packing all of the things that I have learned into this course, and if you guys want to get it, just let me know. Now, using a longer time frame here, as you notice here, this thing started plunging, right? So if you pay attention to the 15-minute time frame, this flag here, when it started to plunge and come down the view app, the first thing you're gonna notice here is that first we had a little bounce around the 50 and come back, and look at this thing here. Even when it came down in this flush, we're in right through this 50 and a 100. People will be paying attention to those areas for support and resistance. As you notice here, we came down a little bit longer than a little bit more than the 100 simple moving average, but we came right back up, right? And then we had this surge up. When it came right back to the 50, using this 50 as resistance, started to flag around the 100 again, and then it started to just plunge. If you look at the longer time frame, you're still gonna get a little bit of a better perspective of how long, how far we can take this trade, and not take only a piece of the pie, but take the majority of the pie. And this is something that I wanted to do with you guys. Now, coming back this year, you know that I took a little vacation back in December to set up a couple of things and the time and my mind to be able to help you guys out with this kind of stuff. Not to take only a little tiny opportunity on the market, just nickel and diming a trade, but how to go in for the longer thing, for the best trade possible using different opportunities. You can notice here different things. For example, if you pay attention to this flag, bear flag formation, on using a 1 minute time frame, you're gonna notice that there's different types of opportunity. Here is the hammer, a perfect hammer for this bounce. This is all going to be information fully packed to show you exactly how to take advantage of all of this kind of stuff using the course. You're going to find a 1 minute entry on this hammer here in the 5 minutes right here, ramping up, and then inverted hanging man back here to come for that reversal using a 1 minute time frame to look for those entries right here, inverted hanging man. And as well as you can see that here we have a bear flag formation using a 5 minute time frame. But anyway, just let me go back to what I did trade it today. That was NTRP right here, right out of the open. Right, let me just take it back a little bit and show you guys exactly what I was looking for. There were a couple of opportunities on this one, and I told you, people that were in the stream, you guys can go back and watch. The stream is already uploaded on YouTube and it's archived. You're gonna see exactly what I was talking about. Right out of the open, this thing pulled back, and I didn't want to throw my punches out, but I was talking about putting stop limit orders to be hit while the move of the stock was moving in the direction that I was thinking that we were going to go to. And I was thinking about the $3 for that resistance. And if you notice here on the second candle right out of the open, which is this one, we had a high of $2.74 moving higher. I told you guys that I wanted to wait for a micro pullback to top that 275. I was ready, started to get my order ready with a 275 stop limit order there to get try to get me filled right at 275 with a limit order, not to go over that price, but to get triggered at 275, but a limit order not to go over 280 because I didn't want to get over that. I don't want to chase. So right after this thing pull back, this one hit right here, opened right at 270. And when he started to surge up, I was thinking about the $3 hit. And you guys know that I most of the time put my orders close to the whole $1.50 area. And I was thinking about getting out around the $3 area. I don't wait for the whole dollar because people start setting orders prior to that. But I was telling you guys that I wanted to get an order close to the $3 area. And I took some out of the $3. And I was looking for the second push then over 310. And if you notice here, we had a bear flag formation on the 5 minutes. And we had a second push on this candle right here with a push to $3.22. By that time, I was all out, but we went right back up after this formation here. We had a bull flag formation. We went to a high of $3.43. Unfortunately, I didn't have nothing in back to that point because I set my orders to be out around 310 because that was the idea that I had, and I put a stop limit order to sell around 310, although we pushed higher over that level and we went right through 315. One of the things that I was telling you guys this morning on the stream is that one of the things that I do is that when my orders don't get hit because the orders, the price action is going way too quick, what I try to do is I cancel those limit orders that I have set, and I exit the market orders with a market order, either to take profit, or if this thing I have a stop loss open and it doesn't hit because it hits the slippage, it goes right through because the price action is going way too quick. I rather cancel than that order that might be out there waiting to be fulfilled, and just getting out with a market order to make sure that I can actually measure the risk, and it's gonna be something that is not gonna hit me way too hard, or as well as when I'm looking to take profits, if it doesn't hit on the profit taking area that I was looking for, I cancel the order and exit through a market order to make sure that I'm gonna get my profit. Well, but this is all of the things that I will be putting on the course. Is going to be fully packed with a lot of and the indicators and how to use them, how to set them, and what you're going to do with them, as well as the candle, the patterns, and what all of them signify, and as well as a lot of video information as well. For those of you that want to take advantage of that, it's going to be $2.99 early bird pricing. You can let me know if you're interested. Send me a email through contact@traderscolony.com or send me a DM so I can send you a PayPal link. In the next couple of days, we're gonna be deep diving in a lot of changes in the website, including live market data, so a lot of you guys can take advantage of those things, and we're gonna be really interactive website. I'm trying to make something really nice, a great community for you guys. And although I'm trying to give you a lot of information with this, I do value my time, and I wish you guys understand the reason why this course has a price is because I really have to value the time that I'm putting into making something to help you guys out. If you are going to college to become a doctor, truck driver, or anything else, you need to get a license and you need to practice a lot. This is only something that you gotta understand, that in anything in life, in everything career wise, you need to pay a little bit of a price to get what you want. So I gotta value my time, and this is the reason why I'm putting a price on the course. Now again, it's gonna be over $7.99 value, because I'm giving away 2 computers, and because you're getting a one-on-one hour with me for the first 10 people that buy this course. So if you guys are interested, let me know. I'll see you guys later. I'm here to help you, and happy trading. Enjoy the rest of your day.